Ever since I was a child, I've felt a magnetic pull to the great outdoors. There's something about the crisp air, the rustle of leaves, and the chorus of wildlife that speaks to my soul. Today, I want to share with you why I fell in love with nature. My journey began in the lush green forests that were my childhood playgrounds. With each step on the moss-covered ground, each breath of cool, earthy air, my love for nature deepened. It was more than just a place to play. It became my sanctuary, my teacher, and my muse. As I grew older, my adventures took me further, from towering mountains to vast oceans. Each landscape, with its unique beauty and challenges, taught me valuable lessons about resilience and wonder. Standing on a mountain peak with the world stretched out below, I felt both humbled and invigorated. It was these moments that made me realize that nature isn't just a backdrop to our lives, it's a vital part of who we are. But my connection to nature goes beyond the physical landscapes. It's about the peace it brings to my mind and the joy to my heart. There's a profound tranquility in watching a sunrise or hearing the symphony of birds at dawn. These experiences connect me to the earth in a way nothing else does. And let's not forget the lessons nature teaches us. From the delicate balance of ecosystems to the relentless power of the elements, nature demonstrates the importance of harmony and respect. These lessons inspire me to advocate for our planet, to protect it not just for us but for future generations. So why do I love nature? It's simple. Nature reminds me of the beauty and simplicity, the strength and persistence, and the value of being present. It's where I feel most alive, most myself. And every time I return to it, I find something new within myself, a renewed sense of wonder, a deeper appreciation for life. For those of you who share this love, you understand the irresistible pull of the natural world. And for those who are yet to discover it, I hope you take a moment to step outside, breathe in the beauty, and let nature work its magic on you too. It's an unending source of inspiration, a never-ending adventure, and a lifelong love. So go ahead, embrace the great outdoors. Let it inspire you, challenge you, and remind you of the incredible world we are so lucky to be a part of. Because once you fall in love with nature, there's no going back.